Okay, so I've been working on FIFO Queue Sonic caching, which is a service, a system that I built a little while ago, and it's just a FIFO queue that does some very basic purging, and it has a list, and it's got a time to live where it removes them after so long. I've added magic links, so there's three new endpoints. There's magic new, there's magic peak, and then there's just magic. Magic new is a way for us to put stuff into the queue. We've got magic peak, which gives us a list of all the keys, and then we've got magic, which takes a query parameter of an ID, and then that value then essentially just gives you it renders the page by pulling data from the queue back, and it's pretty straightforward. With that version, all you do is pass the ID in, it goes and gets the ID, uses the magic link ID, and gets it from the queue. If it fails first time, what it will actually do is go grab a list of all of the things in the queue and check to see if it's a prefix or a suffix. So it might be that, like, you've given it the 8 characters, but it's the first part or the last part of the 32 character string for the ID. In this case, if it finds it, it'll obviously return it back. I've got the service running here, and I'm just going to quickly run this command. Now, what you would actually do is you've got a diff hook script you can actually put as your pre-push, and it'll actually push this up. When you do a push, it will actually run this to the service and then display on the page. Now, if I just hit enter here, as you can see, it opens and it gives you a comparison of what has changed. So as you can see, I'd shuffled it up slightly, taken out this line, so it has, and it kind of thinks now that this has changed. But yeah, as you can see, it just basically fills in this and hits the submit button, which then runs all of the commands in the background. The base controller does have a fallback, so if something happens where it doesn't load it automatically, it has a button which allows you to jump to the next page. And yeah, that's it pretty much.